Hello viewers, once again I'm your online tutor Hamoso from somauganda.com. Today we shall be looking at our second course unit under the legal education, which is contract law. Don't forget to subscribe please. As seen from the website, we understand that contract law deals with commercial transactions, and our major sources of reference will be the Uganda Contracts Act 2010 and the Contracts Act. A contract refers to an agreement made between two parties with a free consent for a lawful consideration and objective. However, a valid contract is equipped with the following elements. Our first element is offer. What is an offer? Offer refers to willingness of doing or refraining from doing something. And the different types of offer include the following. 1. Specific offer. This offer is made to a specific group of persons, and it gains its validity after that group of persons accepts. Number 2. General offer. This offer is made to the public, and anyone in the public can accept it. Number 3. Counter offer. This is an offer where the offeree sets the terms and conditions of the offer. Number 4. Standing offer. This is an offer intended to stand open for a specific period of time, for example, 10 days. Number 5. Express offer. This is established by the word of mouth. Number 6. Implied offer. This is established by the conduct of parties, for example, paying a taxi after the journey. So friends, it should be understood that an offer to be valid, it should be communicated, and to be completed, it should be accepted by the other party. To understand this principle further, we have to understand how this offer can be revoked and terminated. How can an offer be revoked? An offer can be revoked when acceptance of the other party is not done. And termination of an offer occurs because it can't be open forever and ever. And today we shall be looking at the circumstances where an offer can be terminated. 1. Acceptance of the offer by the offeree. When an offer is accepted, that means it no longer exists. Number 2, the rejection of the offer by the offeree. When the offeree rejects the offer is meant to be terminated. Number 3, lapse of time. This means that an offer stands for a certain period of time and it gets terminated after that period of time. Number 4, the death of the offerer. When the offerer dies, that means that the offer no longer stands. Number 5, non-fulfillment of the condition. This is whereby the offerer sets a condition and the offeree fails to fulfill that condition. The offer gets terminated. That's all I had for you in this session. For references about this session, visit our website on www.somauganda.com, and don't forget to subscribe and share our video, and follow us on our social media platforms on Facebook and Instagram at Somauganda. Till then friends, bye bye.